In this video, I will show you how to create buttons that you can use in your learning management system. So to start, you want to create a Canva account. You can start with the free basic account and then you can upgrade to the Canva Pro account. The Canva Pro account is free for 30 days. It does have more features, there are more graphics and templates that you can use. So to start, the first thing that you want to do is select Create a Design, which is right here on the right side of the screen. Then select Logo. Then select Elements, and I'm going to use a circle. You can use any shape you want. I will use a circle, and it really depends on the theme of your learning management system page. Maybe your theme is ocean, the ocean theme, or maybe sky. So the first thing that I'm going to do is select this square, this gray square, and it says color right under it. Then you can select the color that you want the circle to be. I want it to be blue, like a light blue color. The next thing that I'm going to do is select text. So if you look on the left side of the screen, you'll see a column. You see templates at the top, elements, uploads, text, and more. I'm going to select text. And then I'm going to select add a heading. And I can type whatever I want. So I'm going to type syllabus. Then I want this to be a different color. So I'm going to highlight the word syllabus. And then I'm going to select this A that says text color right under it. And I'm going to make the word white. I'm going to use white font. The next thing that I want to do is add maybe a picture to the button. So I'm going to go to Elements. You can see that I've already used this fish, so I'm going to add the fish. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and I will add it to the button. I want to add it right below the word syllabus. And that's it. And then you want to select download. Make sure you download in PNG. So you want it to be a PNG file. It's just easier to use and easier to upload into your LMS. So you just select download, it downloads onto your computer. You can also create different buttons. So maybe I don't want to use the fish. Maybe I just want something that's a little bit simpler. So I will make the circular button black. So just basic colors or gray. So I'm going to start with black, and I'm going to use white font. So it kind of has some variation in the color. So I have to change this font to white. That's another button. So that's a very simple button. You can do whatever you want, whatever fits your LMS. So maybe I want to add a background. Maybe I want to add, let's see, this background. Another thing is when you look at the backgrounds and then all the graphics, if you hover over the background, you can see on the right hand side, this says free. Well, this is free, so you can use this with the basic plan. If you hover over some of these other backgrounds, you see where it says Pro. So you can get the image and millions more with Canva Pro, or you can just pay $1. You can just sign up for a free Canva Pro account or you can pay annually. So I can show you another, let's see, I want to show you another button. So I'm going to continue with the ocean theme. So this is one that I created. So you can see syllabus. I'm going to change that to maybe a blue color, just so it stands out more than the white. So then I want to go to the A, text color, and make it blue. Just want to center it a little bit, but that is it. And then you can download it. So you select download, and then it will download onto your computer. The next video I will make will show you how to upload and link these buttons in your LMS.